The butterfly's struggle. One day, a man came across a butterfly's cocoon. He observed for hours as the butterfly labored to squeeze its body through a tiny hole. Eventually, the butterfly stopped making progress and seemed to be stuck. Feeling compassionate, the man decided to assist the butterfly. He used a pair of scissors to cut away the remaining cocoon. The butterfly emerged effortlessly, but its body was swollen, and its wings were small and shriveled. The man continued to watch, expecting the wings to enlarge and support the body as it contracted. However, neither happened. The butterfly spent its life crawling around with a bloated body and weak wings, unable to fly. The man, in his kindness and haste, didn't realize that the struggle through the narrow opening was essential for the butterfly. It was nature's way of forcing fluid from the body into the wings, preparing it for flight once it was free from the cocoon. Struggles and challenges are often necessary for growth and strength. Overcoming difficulties equips us with the abilities we need to thrive.